When the consistency starts to look like this, welcome back to Chef's Treat. I'm your host, Paxton, and today we're making some venison stroganoff. I'm gonna cook it with noodles today. I'm really excited how this is gonna turn out, so let's get started on this venison stroganoff. 2 pounds of venison to start. 1.5 cups of water. Turn it on high, salt to taste. It's gonna be about a teaspoon. Again, it's salt to taste. 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, put that in there. And make sure you get as much out of there as you can. I'm a little bit of a stickler. And start mixing that in. Once that's done, 2 to 5 cloves of fresh garlic. So much better if you do it fresh. And you're gonna want 8 ounces of sour cream. And lastly, 2 tablespoons of flour. When the consistency starts to become pretty thick, like a pudding, that's when you know you're done. All right, now time for the best part. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for the food. Let's get some noodles going here. Got a little unconventional noodles today, but that's what we're going with. Then we get the stroganoff all here, looking delicious. Nice pile on like that. And because I'm me, you know I gotta have a little bit of spiciness to it. So let's do a little red pepper. And that, my friends, is venison beef stroganoff. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for the food. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.